Hi viewers, my name is Victor Godfrey and I'm here to share with you on how to utilize the Builderall platform to create sales funnels and lead magnets in any affiliate niche and then start increasing your leads and sales. There are three simple steps involved in any business model, and the first one is this: you must have an amazing product or services. Then you also need a website page to drive your traffic to. Then the third being that your traffic source is exactly where your potential customers hang out, and it could either be on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram. So once we have traffic, then it should lead them to an opt-in page or a landing page, and the objective here is to collect their email addresses in order to start building our own list of potential buyers of other services we'll be offering to them much later in the future, without having to start spending all over again on other traffic sources in search of potential clients or buyers for our future services. So we will be creating an opt-in page where we'll be providing them with something of extreme value so as to get their emails. And once they provide their emails, then you should automatically send them to a bridge page where we will now get them ready for the offer before now sending them to the actual offer. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to share my screen and show you guys how I'm able to build my own funnel using the Builderall platform. So right now I'm at the back office of my Builderall software tool, and I'll be using this particular tool, the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website Builder. I'll use this to build my funnel. Then before I proceed, I also like to let you know that there's a training section here. You can also click on the training section so that you can also be able to get yourself acquainted on how to use the platform and this particular app to build either websites or funnels or whatever thing you actually want to do. So right now, I'm going to hit on the enter button here, which will take me to my work platform. Okay, right now it brought me to this page. This is a page where I already have other websites that I've built. There are a list of websites that I've already built in here. So what I'll be doing, I'll go to the top right hand corner here and I'll click on the create new site. And I'm going to title this my opt-in page. My opt-in page. Then I can also type in the same thing as my description. Then next I'll go straight to make use of the blank template. If you go here, it gives you offers of other templates you can actually use if you want to. But I always like building my opt-in pages afresh, so I'm going to use the blank template for this purpose. So this is the next page where it brought me down to where I'll have to start working. Remember, this is the title I chose. I said the opt-in page. So it brought me here. Now I'm going to click on this edit page so I could start building or start creating my funnel. So once on this page, next thing you have to do is you go straight to the add button here, click on the add button. Then I'm going to add a panel. I'm going to select the panel. Then I'm going to select a blank panel. So automatically it has created a blank panel for me. Then also added my first tool where I'll be putting in my title. So the next thing I'll be doing now will be to select another text. Once I put in my title here, I also want to have a provision where I'll put in my subtitle. So I'll go straight again and click on elements here, then choose text. Then this place gives me the option of choosing the particular font size of text messages or text I want to use. But so I'm going to use this H5 for my subtitle, and all I needed to do was just to drag it and bring it to this point, then and drop. Then having done this, now I have two blocks, one for my title, this for my subtitle. Then the next thing I will be needing for this funnel will be my email form, where my prospect will be able to put in their name and their email, and then we'll proceed from there. So for me to get my email form, I'll have to go straight back to element. Once I get to the element, I scroll down and go straight to email marketing. This part will give me options of email marketing forms to choose from. So here I'm going to choose, I could go with the first one, or I could go with this one that says get instant access. So next thing, just drag it and drop it again. So right now it is loading. It's trying to configure with an email list. So once you start building funnels, obviously you have to start also building lists, where the list where your prospects will always go in once they sign up. So now these are the list of lists I've already built. So it's asking me to choose one, or if I want, I can actually create a new list for this funnel. But for this training purpose, I'm just going to select one of my old lists. Then I'll click on save. Okay, now I've selected my email form is here. So whoever that signs up in here now automatically will go to the list I selected. But I would like to expand the size of this site so that everything will fit in properly. So for me to expand the size, I'll go straight to size, the size button here. Click down, then increase it a bit. Yes, so that everything fits in. So now is the time for me to start putting in my title. Then after that, I'm going to type in my subtitle. This is already set. So let's put in the title in here first. So for my title, let's assume I'm trying to teach them how to make money online, or maybe I have a course or a training that actually teaches how to make money online. So whatever thing I'm going to type in here must reflect my offer, which I actually want them to see. So let's assume I want to show them how to make money online. Then my title will say something like this: are you still struggling to make your first money online? Then I'll have put it like a question mark. Are you still struggling to make your first money online? So that whoever that has been trying to make money online that has not been successful, I believe such a title will appeal to them, and they'll like, yes, I fall in within this category. I've been trying to make money online, but I've not been successful. So what do I do? So that actually catches their attention. So your title must be very, very captivating, so that whoever that says it will actually want to find out what exactly is it that they've not been doing right, or they need to start doing to start making money online. So that's basically what I'm going to put here now. So let's type in, are you still struggling to make your first money online? Okay, let's do that. Okay, we now have our title, which says, are you still struggling to make your first online money? Now it's time for us to come up with our subtitle, and I've decided that my subtitle is going to be discover how I made $500 online in less than for 8 hours with this business strategy. So let's put in that as well too. So I've typed in my text, discover how I made $500 online in less than 48 hours with this business strategy. So let me make this up in a straight line so it appear good. Okay, then let me center. If you want to center it, you just come here and press the button. It automatically centers it. So our title is good to go. Our subtitle is ready. Our email form is also ready. So whoever that comes in here wants to send traffic to this. Before then, I would like to save this. So let's save it. We'll click on the save button. Then let's preview and see what we've just created. So this is what I just created. This is my opt-in form. Are you still struggling to make your first money online? Discover how I made $500 online in less than 48 hours with this business strategy. Then they input their email here. They put in their first name. And once they click on this get instant access, it's not taking them to, the essence of this is not to take them straight down to the product page. Rather, we want to take them to a bridge page where we will pre-warm them, educate them more on the problem, and also proffer solution to that problem. So that is the essence of the bridge page. So, but a lot of marketers or some beginners that are not really familiar with this strategy, what they normally do, they just build in their opt-in page and straight up they send their traffic. Once the traffic gets in here, they send them straight to their offer page. At that point, you're setting yourself up for failure, because the people you're sending straight to your offer page. They don't even know you. You've not said much about the product. They don't know the product. You've not built authority. So why should they listen to you? Why should they buy from you? So that's the essence of the bridge page. The bridge page most times is the video page that kind of educate them a little bit more about the problem. You have to actually talk a little about the problem, then proffer solution. And during the process of proffering solution, now you're trying to get them into a buying mode. So that's the whole essence of the bridge page. So I'll also show you or demonstrate how I create my bridge page. So this is a demonstration of how I create my opt-in page, but you can also visit the training section and also see how you can, there are other features you can also do, like changing of the background colors and some other cool stuff. So let's quickly demonstrate on how we create our bridge page as well. So now I want to create the bridge page. So I'm back to my back office again. Remember, we have the opt-in. This is the opt-in page. We just finished creating our opt-in page. So here we'll create another new page, and that will be for the bridge page. Sometimes it could be your thank you page, but for this purpose, it's going to be our bridge page rather. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to name it again. The first title I use opt-in page. So this I could just say bridge page. Okay, I could repeat the same thing as a title. Copy and paste it here. Then you could add a description if you want. You can also add integration keys, but I don't do all that. I go straight up to, I scroll down, I click on save. Then it will take me to the next page where I'll now start editing. So exactly the same thing we did on the first page. Yeah, just like we did in our opt-in page, we came down to this workstation, we added a panel, then added a text. So I'm going to repeat almost the same kind of process here again. So I'm going to click on the add button here to add a panel. As usual, I'm going to select the blank panel. It has already given me my first text box, which will be for my title, but this is not an opt-in page, but I'm also going to use this block for something else. Then I might add one more extra block to this. So I'll go to the element, pick up a text, then I'll take this font size, the H5, drag, drop it here. Then since my bridge page will be where I will educate them more on the problems and then provide a solution, then obviously it's going to be a video page. So I'm going to put in a YouTube page here for my video. And in order for me to do that, I also have to go back to the element, then scroll down. Let me take my picture, my webcam out here. Then I'll go to this video. I'll click on it, scroll down. Then depending on which of the video platform I'm using, either YouTube or Vimeo or Wistia, but I'm always using YouTube. So I'm just going to click on YouTube, drag it, and bring it in here as well. So our video page is already created. So the next thing, so I'm just going to increase the size of this background so everything can fit in properly. And I'm going back to the size. I'll expand this a bit. Okay, so now it's time for me to start adding my text. So this is the bridge page. So obviously I'm just going to say congratulations here. Once they opt in, they come into this page, and what they're going to see here will be congratulations. Here, so they have the congratulations here. Then this particular text here, I might just say watch the short video below. So I'm going to put in that here, which is urging them to watch this next video. So let me put in the text right in. So I've already said watch the short video below here. So let me stretch this up so everything will align properly. Okay, fine. I want this to be in the middle, so I just have to click on this, then center everything here. I guess this is a bit too up, so let me bring them down a bit. Okay, everything here is practically drag and drop. So remember, we said that the bridge page is where we will be educating them a little bit more, so adding more value, like talking about a little about the problem, then profiling solution, trying to put them in a buying mood. And again, the video you're going to have here must also be congruent with what your the opt-in page actually said. So you don't say something else on your opt-in page and you come to the video and you're presenting something else. So everything must follow in sequence. It must actually be a video that will talk about the problem you first mentioned at the opt-in page, then profile solution to that. So it could be a video of the of the product. If you have it, you grab it from YouTube. So how do you do that? We go straight to YouTube. I'm going to go to YouTube and just grab any video there just to demonstrate how you could do this. Okay, like for this particular video now, I could just decide to put in the link there. All you need to do is you grab the URL. I click on this button, then copy this URL link here. That's all I need. Then come back to the video, click on the video, then go straight to general settings here, click on the drop down icon. Now you see the section for the YouTube. I'll just highlight it and put in the video URL link we copied earlier on. Why is this not coming up? Okay. So I've now pasted the URL, the YouTube URL video we picked up earlier on from that page there. So what next? Remember, every time you're doing all this, always once you're done, click on the save button so as to save your work. So right now, okay, then one more thing, I'm going to put a call to action button here, because after watching the demonstration, then I can now send them to the product link where I'll actually want them to carry out a particular action, having been informed and educated through the video page here. So I'll create one more button here that'll actually now take them to the product page. So let's do that right away. So for me to create an extra one more button here, I'll get back to my panel, click on the panel, go back to element, now scroll down, now grab a call to action button here. I'm just going to click this. Okay, so I could pick any one of this. I'll drag this and put it right in here. So let's assume I'm trying to sell a course, or probably something that has a free trial. They have to try it out for free, or any product. Then after watching the video, getting them educated, then here is where I'm going to ask them to either register now or to have a free trial. Then this particular button must link to the product page. And how do you do that? I'll just click on it. Okay, I have to drag this down a bit. Okay, click on it. Then you see this button here, the set link. I'll click on that link there. Now this is where you're going to put your affiliate page URL. Copy it. It could be this page here. You just copy this. This is just an example. Copy your affiliate page URL. Put it in here. Then click on the save button, or click on the select button rather. So having done this, I'll click on save. Make sure that my work is secured. So once you click on save, so we're done. So let me click on the preview to see how the site looks like. So exactly this. So this is exactly how you build your funnel, linking it to your bridge page. Once we send them here, we send traffic to this particular page. Once they opt in, get instant access, click on this button, it takes them to the bridge page. We're not sending them to the product page or our affiliate page. We send them straight to the bridge page, where we continue with a little education to warm them up. Then after that, we'll now send them, when they click on this button, we now send them to wherever we want them to go to, where we'll actually be making the sales. So this is just the short demonstration. Yeah, so this is exactly the strategy you need to implement in order to be successful with your affiliate marketing. And I use the Builderall business tool to create my marketing funnels, such as the opt-in page and again the bridge page. And there's also a link below for you to create your own Builderall account and start creating your own funnels for your affiliate marketing product. And finally, I also implore you to kindly subscribe to my channel, where I will be sharing with you all with valuable information that will be very, very beneficial towards your success on your business endeavors. So once again, thank you all for watching, and thanks for your time.